व्हाट इज पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस? आप बताओ, किसी को पता है?
यस मैम। जो मैम काम हो चुका है, खत्म हो चुका है, कर चुके हैं हम जो काम।
Action is completed, ma'am.
I am not asking about only perfect. I am asking about past perfect.
Uh, Action was
Hmm?
completed, ma'am.
Ma'am, already this answer is on the screen.
Yes, on the screen, but अपने तरीके से बताओ ना, वो तो
Yes.
है। This- for that reason only I have displayed it on the screen कि चलो ठीक है, इतना आपको समझ आ गया, अब अपनी तरफ से बताओ, आपको क्या पता है?
The action which had completed in past is known
Okay,
as yeah.
past perfect. Okay, in my words, I can say the actions which has completed before another past action. The action which has completed before another past action, it is called past perfect tense. Okay. For example, I had finished my work before he arrived. Understood?
Yes,
ओके मैम।
What I am trying to say? Had they left already? ठीक है, इट इज लाइक कि जो एक्शन किसी और पास्ट एक्शन से पहले कर दिया, बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया, उसको कहते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. Thus, what is written on the screen, it is past perfect tense is used to refer to the action that took place and were completed in past. ये भी बात बिल्कुल सही है. जो मैं पॉइंट बता रही हूँ, that is also right. The action which has completed before another past action. Okay. What will be the structure of past perfect tense? Subject plus had. Has, have हम present perfect में use करते हैं. Has और have. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
तो past perfect में हम had use करेंगे. Is it?
Sorry, ma'am. In this sentence, if there are two actions, then we use which has completed already. We use had, and after that we use past indefinite, like second form of the verb in second action. Yeah.
बिल्कुल. For
No, ma'am. Actually, third form of verb, na?
trying to say, can you please explain, Arun, once more? What are you trying to say?
Yes, ma'am. In this where there are two sentences, and which one is completed before the second one. Both are completed in past. And first we use had plus
Wait,
third
I
form.
gave you the
And
example. मैं अभी आपको example दिया था.
yeah, ma'am.
मैंने अभी आपको क्या एग्जांपल दिया था? हाँ, मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था. आई हैड फिनिश्ड माय वर्क बिफोर ही अराइव्ड.
Yeah, yeah, he came. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अंडरस्टूड? बिफोर ही अराइव्ड इज अ सिंपल पास्ट, है ना? दैट इज सिंपल पास्ट. बट पहले में क्या यूज किया? पास्ट परफेक्ट.
Yes, yes.
नाउ इट इज क्लियर, अरुण?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके.
Ma'am, can I give the example?
यस मिनी.
I had prepared dinner before started the class.
हाँ, आई हैड ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयर्ड
Before started the class.
बिफोर द क्लास.
Before started the class.
ओके.
Started the class started.
Before my class started.
Yeah, ma'am.
Understood? Okay. Moving ahead with the pilot told the police what had happened. Okay. The pilot told the police what had happened. Uses. Past perfect के uses. और इसके uses मैं कैसे बता सकती हूँ? The action in the past that occurred before another past action. ये तो मैंने आपको बता दिया ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If the order of events is clear, We can use past simple as well. ये तो आपको पता ही चल गया ना. I waited until everybody had arrived. Okay. एक तो यूज इसका मैंने आपको बता ही दिया था कि द एक्शन कंप्लीटेड बिफोर अनदर पास्ट एक्शन. सेकेंड इज टू शो कॉज और रीजन इन द पास्ट. इट एक्सप्लेन्स व्हाई समथिंग हैपेंड. ओके. इसका एक और यूज है कि ये क्यों हुआ था पास्ट में. शी वॉज टायर्ड बिकॉज शी हैड वर्कड ऑल डे. शी वॉज टायर्ड. अंडरस्टूड. They were late because they had missed the bus. Clear?
What are you, ma'am? I am late, ma'am. What are you teaching?
Today I am teaching past perfect Parineet. If you can have a look on the screen, what is there on the screen? Students, for what reason every day you are late to the class? मैं आपका क्लास शुरू कर देती हूँ, फिर आप लोग आते हो.
Ma'am, my side network is so bad.
For what reasons?
Ma'am, today weather is not good.
Okay. Okay, everyone has read the slides. What is there on the screen?
Here is right
Yes,
past
ma'am.
perfect tense.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it's time for exercise. Okay.
Okay.
Please raise your hands. Everyone, please raise your hands.
मैंने एक बार और सुनाना.
Priyanka Kumari, first one is for you. Priyanka Kumari, first one is for you.
Actually, ma'am, I am joined. Ma'am, मैं late join.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ट्राई करो. हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस कर रहे हैं.
मैम मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी.
क्यों नहीं कर पाओगे?
Ma'am, may I?
करुणा. नहीं, I will give you a chance.
Yes, ma'am.
Karuna, first one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
she tried and she.
Parineet, your name is Karuna.
I had studied French before I moved to French.
Friends.
France.
Right. Okay.
France. Yes.
It will be had plus verbs, third form, past participle. Clear? Arun Yadav, next one is for you.
The guest had gone before the sunset.
Right. Mini, next one.
The shopkeeper had closed the shop before I reached there.
Yes. Parineet, next one. Parineet, fourth one.
Planted take the medicine
The
before
patient taking medicine before
The
the doctor
patient
arrived.
had taken medicine before the doctor arrived. The patient had taken medicine before the doctor arrived. Clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
next one.
Yes, ma'am. Fifth one, na ma'am. I had not seen such a beautiful horse before.
I had not seen such a beautiful horse before. Right. Sixth one. The leopard dash up the tree
The,
before the lion arrived.
the leopard had climbed.
Right.
Had climbed.
Yes. Manvi, next is for you.
Yes, ma'am. In my head. Shami head to the park.
Had dash to the park.
Shami head to
मैम
the park.
I have one doubt.
क्या आगे वर्ब तो डालो. Had क्या?
Oh, ma'am, sorry, मुझे दिखा नहीं है. Shami had gone to the park.
कहाँ ध्यान था मानवी आपका?
मैम इसका स्लाइम बहुत हल्का है इसलिए मुझे दिखा नहीं है.
ओके. प्रियंका, आप समझ आ गया?
Yes, मैम थोड़ा बहुत.
अब आपकी बारी. It dash in my village.
You try, Priyanka.
बोलो तो सही.
मैम
मैम
What
क्या?
you use had?
मैम
it
क्या?
had
It had not
raining
rained.
in my village.
मैम
Rained.
मैम raining in your place village.
No, मैम my village बोला मैंने.
वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ. मैम is raining in your village.
No, no, मैम मैंने my village बोला था.
ओके. आंसर दो पहले. ट्राई करो. It dash in my village. देखो
It
नॉट भी है, रेन भी है. नॉट आया है तो मतलब इट इज अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है ना. आपको नॉट यूज करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर?
मैम it not rain in my
It
village.
had not
It
rained
had
in my
not
village.
rained in my
Rained in my village.
Rained. Okay, मैम. मैम मतलब वर्ब
थर्ड
का
फॉर्म.
थर्ड. मैम आपने वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म पढ़ाया क्या?
हाँ.
मैम मैंने ना थर्सडे को क्लास मिस किया था.
क्यों मिस किया था?
एक्चुअली
कोई
मैम.
नहीं कहता है. अगर मिस किया था तो यूट्यूब पे देख के आओ.
ओके मैम. ओके.
क्लियर?
और मैम फ्राइडे को तो ऑलरेडी बंद था. बुध पूर्णिमा था.
यस. ओके. इंग्लैंड डैश द क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप.
England had won the.
यस.
Correct.
She dashed the meal before I came.
She had cooked the meal
Right.
She
before I.
had cooked the meal before I came.
Meal,
Yes.
not mill. It is meal. Okay.
Meal.
Hmm?
Meal.
Meal. Okay, ma'am. Meal.
Shalu Kumari, next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. 11th.
He had divided the lamb.
बोलो. Shalu,
Yes, ma'am.
answer please.
मैम 11 क्वेश्चन था ना.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मैम मैम he had the lamp. He had light the lamp.
Lighted.
He had lit the lamp.
Light lit.
Hmm. Understood?
मैम उसे लिट पढ़ेंगे.
हाँ,
Light.
बिल्कुल.
ओके मैम.
Light, lit, lit. थर्ड फॉर्म क्या है? लेट। क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.